What do we have here today? Mercedes-Benz S500, pearl white, 27,000 kilometers, 2022 model. What a beauty. What a beautiful car. This is pure luxury, pure elegance. Now let's talk facts. This is a US import, came with an accident. It had an accident at the front. We'll talk about it shortly. It was repaired. Then the car came to us. It is not something we would usually do on a regular basis. You know that our cars never have accidents. We don't do accident cars. We just do clean cars. This is not our cup of tea. But this car belongs to a very special person. So we kind of just helping him out. When he bought it, he didn't realize what it was. So we said, okay, we will help you to sell this car. So we had to repair it again because the repair was not done properly. So as you know, all our repairs are done at the best garages who take their work very serious, and now you can't actually even look. So I'll show you now. This was impacted. This is actually new. The bonnet was impacted, the front bumper, and this side. So this had an impact from the accident, you can see now. And previously, the alignments here in between, they were not right. So we fixed all that. And the bonnet had a little wave in it, but now it's gone. See that? It is gone. It's immaculate now, right? So we painted that. Further, the side skirts, they had some scratches. So we painted them and aligned them properly, the side skirts, on both sides. That was done on both sides. And the rear bumper, we have painted the rear bumper as well. There you go. It's aligned properly. Here's that side skirt again. So now, even though it's had an impact on the front, we have the pictures. We can send you the pictures as well. Before the accident, the car is priced to sell. It's a reasonable price. Of course, it is what it is. But then the quality that it is now, it is in a very good condition. So let's have a look at the car now from inside. This is the key. Looks very nice, very stylish. Let's open the doors. Look at these handles that come out. Is that cool or what? That is very cool. So let's start from the interior. It's all black, very nice. There you see the color changing LED lights. The car comes with Burmester sound system, very nice. Look at those plush seats. Lovely seats. And of course, we have to show you the back. Being a long wheelbase, you see lots of space. Lots of space. It's almost like a little lounge. So, lovely, very nice. The only thing it's missing is the rear seat and entertainment. Other than that, has very good spec. Yes. There you go. Now you sit like the boss. Let's look at the driver's seat. We have ventilated seats. We have heated seats. There's the control for the passenger seat. Nice, very nice. There we have the Mercedes-Benz logo. Sorry, I was about to say BMW. Those black inlays are beautiful, very nice. Looks great, lovely. There you have all the steering buttons, all touch. This is the future of luxury cars. What do you think? Show you from the back as well. It's very clean. Oops, there's a tissue box. There's the battery compartment, all good. Oops, did I not press enough? There you go. I love those LED lights, huh? They look nice. Again, the cabin from the other side. If you have a driver, most likely you'll be sitting on this side. Again, that black piano looks lovely. It's actually, this is black piano and this is like wooden finish. Very nice. Look at that. Lovely. That screen's nice, very nice. Seats are great. So 2022, 3 years old now, 4 years old, sorry. 4 years old. This car was GCC how much? 700,000 dirhams, 600,000 dirhams, I think. Now we're pricing it at 249, I think. Not bad. What do you get nowadays for 249? You don't get anything. There it says, don't forget your key. There are the kilometers, 27,000. So that's all changed into kilometers, it's fine. The only thing is not is the temperature. That still shows in Fahrenheit. All right, guys. Let me know, any questions, anything you want to know. You want pictures of the accident before, whatever you want. Like I said, we don't usually sell cars that had an accident, but this one was not too bad, just needed a bit of a repair again, and it belongs to a very, very special person. Hence, we decided to take this car on. Okay? Happy days.